the fastest way to create speed RAM through Capcut app? Probably. Let's have a look at this video. You can do this for food, products, and all different types of service. Now, the first step is you need to film this video first. Shoot this video with a phone or a camera, and you need to go slow-mo mode. Meaning to say, you must go to Android phone or iPhone, you have this function that slow-mo or slow motion. So just turn it on and move according to this way. Just move it slowly, nice and slow, not too slow, because it's already on slow motion. So next, you need to open up this video file with Capcut app. Now let's go to Capcut. I've added the video. Now first thing is you want to go and start to trim off the part that you don't want to be included in the video. So I'll just trim off the part at the back. Now it's about 1 minute like that under slow motion. So now the next thing you want to do is tap on the clip, all right? Click on speed under curve, go to custom, okay? Click edit. Over here, you can see 5 dots and a single line. So next, what you want to do is go to the part that you want to be slow. You want it to move slow. For example, this part, I want it to move slow, all right? To show the cheese. So I just add a beat, okay? And then over here at the fries, okay, this is just nice. So I just want this part to be slow. And then over here, when it's showing the mashed potato with some bacon strips, I want it to have slow-mo as well. I want it to slow down as well. And over here, the path, nothing really special, so that I don't want to do any slow-mo over there. So I just add a bit over here when moving on to the chicken chop or chicken stick. Okay, so the first thing, so over here, this is the part that I need to slow down. So the rest of the part, okay, so for example, over here, I just move all the way up. Okay, and over here in between the fries and burger, I'll add a bit, meaning to say that every time, okay, let me mute this video first. Okay, now this will be better. Okay, in between every dots that I've just added, in other words to say, in between every part that I want to slow down, I'm going to add a beat, and I'm going to pull all the way up to 10x speed. So over here, like for example, this one is the mashed potato. So over here, there's already a beat. I can delete it, go to the middle, add it, and just pull all the way up. All right. So over here, okay, so this one over here, I don't need it. I can just add over here. Okay, so right now you can see that it's already done. So I'll just play it for you and have a look. Full screen. Okay, so you can see it slows down at the burger, slows down at the curly fries, and move fast again to the mashed potato, and go fast again when going to the chicken chop. Right? So that's it. It's really that simple. Now, here are some pro advanced tips for you. If you want, let's say, for example, you felt that, hey, this is too slow because I want a faster moving speed ramp. For example, I want it to go fast and go in. I don't want it to slow too much. I want it to slow down a little, but not too much. What can you do? What you can do is go to this part that you slow down, it's 1x speed. So you can move it up to 2x or 3x. Normally, I will just move on to 2x because if I go for 3x, it's generally a bit too fast. But it depends on how fast you film, you shoot those videos as well. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to increase it to, say 2x over here. All of them, I'm just going to increase to 2x. Now this part is a bit harder. And you can do this not only on Capcut, you can do this on VN, you can do this on Inshot or other editing app. So now this all I've changed it to 2x. So this is how it looks like. I'm just going to play. So you can see it slows down. It doesn't slow down that much like when it's on 1x. Okay, really cool, right? It's really easy. So again, speed ramp, how to do, just go to speed, curve, custom, edit. All the parts that you want to slow down, just add a beat, And in the middle, it means in between those slowdown parts, exactly in the middle, you just need to add a bit and pull all the way up to 10x. That's it. It's really that easy. Okay, if you want something more, you can always make it more interesting, like every time when it slow down, a text pops up. So this is pretty cool. Exactly what I did to the video. You can just add in, like, for example, burger. Okay, so just go to background, just no background. All right. So for example, you just choose a font, and then you can go for animation. Now the one that I'm using is Bunny Glow, so you can create something like this. All right. So here, so when it slows down, the text pops up. Okay. Something like that. So it looks. This is exactly what I did to the video. So it's like when you move on to the first food, it slows down and the text pops up, explain what this food is about, and then you move on to second and third. It's up to you, because generally a speedrun, if you do not have any information about it, it can be a bit boring. Of course, a lot of people do it on cars like supercars, sports cars, and they do not need to explain much. It is fine as well. That is entirely up to you. These are all advanced stuff that you can use to enhance, to make your video, your speedrun video looks better. If you like this tutorial, join the Reels Masters class. This is just one of the things that I teach in my Reels Masters class. Aside from shooting, I talk about editing, and these are some of the easiest ways to edit your videos, your Reels, your TikTok videos, to make it look really nice and very, very easily with Capcut apps.